there, you find me here today in Westgate and I'm on Hawkshead Drive. It's a real sought after location and we have actually sold a few down here before. It's a lovely quiet kind of horseshoe road. You don't really need to drive down it unless you live here. Nearby we've got fantastic amenities at the Westgate precinct. We've also got the Lidl and Home Bargains as well, along with a vast other array of amenities. Schools, Westgate Primary School is easy access, also Hawkshead and Morecambe High. And look, drive from the Bay Gateway from here, about 5 minutes, so easy access to M6 north and southbound, whilst also getting to Hawkshead, Halton and the other semi-rural villages. Now, a bit about this house, 2-bedroom bungalow. It's absolutely immaculate throughout. It is a corker, however, I want to show you my favourite, which is the rear garden. Check out the rest of the video. Let's go in and take a look. Now, here you find me in the back garden if you've just had your tour inside. As you can see, it's a really decent sized garden. I've also got the detached garage here as well, so it's perfect for those people wanting to store things, home gym, home office as most people convert them to now, or of course, the man cave. Inside, as you've seen, it's absolutely immaculate. There's nothing wrong with this property. You could move straight in. I'm gonna duck in and watch my head, but absolute sun trap here in the patio. Neighbours are lovely either side. Look, it's a stunning property and it is ready for you to move straight into. You need to do no work here, so get your view booked, come and have a look here at Hawkshead Drive.